Manina ate, massage nila si Lola, oh. Ang babait naman ng mga apo ni Madam Gina, oh. Ay, very good massage nila si Lola, ah. Mukhang may ipapabili pa kayo, ah. Very good. So, dami kaya pala imamassage si Lola. Dami pang gusto.
Yan pa, kamay. Oh, very good, Audrey. Oh,
I saw these before when I'm in school. Yeah.
Anong ginawa?
Me and my 3 classmates massage teacher. So teacher gave us yellow. I remember my yellow was colored in yellow. So I think mine was pineapple.
Ang galing niya ate, sina ate din, oh, nagmamassage kay Lola, oh. Ate Nice and Ate Sam. Si Lara din, massage mo din si Lola, Lara.
Massage in Lola's hand.
Very good, Lara. Oh, Lara, massage mo din si Lola.
I massage.
Okay. Naka-makeup ka pa, okay.
You can also go on this other side.
Very good. Galing-galing.
Aling Lara, it's so easy to massage Lola's hand. It's like this. Like this.
Naglalaro naman kayong dalawa. Tingnan nyo si ate nagmamassage talaga kay Lola, ah.
On the other side. But we can also switch.
Wow. Payak dito eh. Payak.
Aga blue kasla ni Tatang.
Mahulog siya. Mahulog.
Cry.
Very good naman. Ang galing-galing, ah.
I'm going for her fingers. Need a little bit of it.
Galing ah.
I'm going to pray.
Ikaw na ang may apong marunong magmassage. Ablon. Ang naabilino.
Good job.
I'm massaging her fingers, but you didn't put it in the finger. It's outside.
The finger.
Anna.
What about the head, Laura? Some
Other finger.